In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your billing address using the Wells Fargo app in an easy and straightforward manner. Whether you've recently moved or you just need to update your address, we'll make sure everything is accurate and up to date in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, we'll begin by launching the Wells Fargo app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. It's important to keep your login information secure and confidential, so make sure you're in a private space while doing this. After logging in, you'll want to locate the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. Depending on your version of the app, this icon might be located either at the bottom or the top corner of your screen, so just give it a quick look. After tapping the menu icon, you'll see a list of options. Look for the one labeled Profile and Settings and tap on that. This will guide you to a new screen where you should see personal information listed among the options. Go ahead and select it. This section will house the details of your profile, including the mailing and billing address that we're working on today. Once you're in the personal information section, scroll until you find either mailing address or billing address. Tap on it and you'll be presented with a list of your accounts. If you have multiple accounts, it's important to select the one that you want to update the address for, as it might not automatically select for you. After choosing the appropriate account, it's time to enter your new address. Be mindful when typing in this information. Ensure accuracy by double-checking each detail like the street name, house, or apartment number, and the correct postal code. Typos here can lead to important documents being mistakenly sent to the wrong location. Once you've entered your new address, look for the Save or Update Address button to confirm your changes. Tapping this will save the new address to your account. The app might take a moment to process the update, so give it a few seconds to do its thing. Following this, it's usually a good idea to go back and verify that the address has been updated correctly. If something doesn't look right, you may need to go through the steps once more to ensure everything is set properly. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully updated your billing address using the Wells Fargo app. This process ensures that any important communication from Wells Fargo will reach you at your new address without delay. If you have any questions or face issues while using the app, don't hesitate to reach out to Wells Fargo's customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.